Hello, welcome to my Ashraf Atik's YouTube channel. In today's video, we will explore how to properly set up cross-domain tracking to gather accurate data across multiple websites or domains. Okay, before we dive in, let's understand why cross-domain tracking is essential for businesses with multiple online properties. Just imagine you run an e-commerce store with separate domains for product listings, checkout, and a blog. Without cross-domain tracking, Google Analytics treats each domain as a separate entity, leading to fragmented data. By implementing cross domain tracking, you can connect the doors between these domains, providing a holistic view of user behavior and interactions across your entire online ecosystem. Now, let's walk through the steps to set up cross domain tracking in Google Analytics 4. Okay, at first we need to set up the same measurement ID in our two websites tag manager. Okay, there is our Google Analytics 4. Now I'm gonna do data stream. There is measurement ID. Okay, GYE. Just I'm copying, and we need to set up this is our Shiko. I already said, but I'm again. Okay, and another website. This is Chaldal, and this is Shiko, and okay, same measurement. Okay, YE, GYE, and there is um GYE. Okay, we need to set same measurement. Okay, now in Google Analytics 4, we are going to configure tag. Here is configure tag setting. Okay, configure tag setting, then configure your domains. Then we need to add our website. There is contain. Here is I'm gonna to copying, and it's no needed. And then another is this. Okay, just save. Oh, sorry. Just save. Okay. Now we're just this preview. turn going to home or debug view. Sorry, here is debug view. Okay, now we will check here our data is coming properly or not. Okay. Here is this is our main website Shiko. Then I have linked here another website Chal link. Okay, and I'm just clicking here. Okay, now we'll check here. Just wait a page view. Okay, we're just check page view, page location. Here is using devdevchaldal.pantheon site. That means from our main website we click the chaldal link, it another website. Okay, so we're seeing that uh, the in our Google Analytics debug mode, the page view, the event are tracking correctly. Okay, page view, page referrer. That's mean we came from this website. Okay, that's it. Um, Thank you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more analytics tutorials. And if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover, let us know in the comments below. And if you face any problem, you can contact with me by my WhatsApp number in the description below. Thank you.